Policeman, 7 people are being held by the 3 Balerinas dancers.
Yes, but get in the helicopter now. Little guy, can you help Doctor?
Get the helicopter please, man.
Looks like a hostage situation.
Yeah, 7 people are being held by 3 defective ballet dancers. They'll blow up the building if we don't give in to their demands.
What can we do?
If we only had someone in the building.
Where's Bobby?
Wait a minute! Who's that on the roof?
Oh no, that's my little brother. Little Aunt Blue's had a few laughs. Dork did it! He saved the hostages!
That's one fine underage hero you've got there. Tell you what I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna sing a song for you.
Oh no!
I'm taking advantage of all of the things this place has to offer, like robots and wings. If you have...
That's it! I quit!
Alright. Dr. Beanson had to quit because he's driving me crazy. I'll go there.
Well, hello. My name is Little Guy, the king of 123 Greeny Phatom, but I'm gonna watch see how they grow. Dr. Beanson? What are you doing in my house? I was busy watching see how they grow.
Little guy, I'm gonna tell you something.
Like what?
Let's play knock-knock jokes and then the sun goes up.
The desert is a place.
Okay, little guy, here's my knock-knock joke. Knock-knock. I said knock-knock. That's it, no more knock-knock jokes. Let's watch the sun goes up. I liked it when I was born in 1996.
Wait, we're in 1996? That Greeny Phatom 2009 made us in 1996 and last year was 1995?
Yep, little guy.
Oh, like really? That stupid Greeny Phatom 2009 put in 1996, and next year is going to be 1997. I'm gonna kick his butt and kill him. Be back until next time, folks, and see the credits of the film.